Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Hootsuite social media analytics step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Hootsuite account. Navigate to the dashboard after successfully signing in. Locate the Analytics option in the left sidebar. Click on Analytics to open the Analytics dashboard. Select the specific social media profile you wish to analyze. Use the drop-down menu at the top to choose your desired profile. Once selected, review the overview of key metrics displayed. Look for engagement rates, reach, and impressions for insights. Scroll down to find detailed reports on each metric. Click on Reports to generate a more in-depth analysis. Choose the type of report you need from the available options. Select a custom date range for your analysis if needed. Download the report by clicking on the Download button. Choose the preferred format, such as PDF, for your report. Check the report layout for clarity and relevance. Take notes on any significant trends you observe. Consider setting up automated reports for regular updates. Lastly, use these insights to inform your social media strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.